In the previous video, we have discussed the addition from left to right, but there we used two-digit numbers and one-digit number. Here in this video, we are going to watch the addition from left to right, but here we use three-digit numbers and four-digit numbers. Before that, we should be familiar with end-digit concept and carry or non-carry numbers. Already we have discussed in the previous video. Yes. For example, 9 plus 3, the sum is 12. 7 plus 4, the sum is 11. 7 plus 3, the sum is 10. Yes, here what are the end digits? Here 2 is the end digit, 1 is the end digit, here 0 is the end digit. For example, I take 2 plus 5. This time I got sum 7, that is single digit number. This time the digit itself is end digit. That means here 7 is the end digit. What about 4 plus 2? The sum is 6 and the end digit also is 6. Next, what about carry or non-carry numbers? For example, I add 9 plus 5, 14, 7 plus 6, 13. Next, 8 plus 2, 10. When we add two numbers, if we get the sum is equal to 10 or greater than 10, then those numbers are carry numbers. Here 9 and 5 are carry numbers, 7 and 6 are carry numbers here. This time 8 and 2 are carry numbers. What about 6 plus 2? The sum is 8. And 5 plus 3, the sum is 8. And 5 plus 4, the sum is 9. In these three cases, the sum is less than 10. That means these two numbers are non-carry numbers. Here 5 and 3 are non-carries. And here 5 and 4 are non-carry numbers. Yes, we should be familiar with these two concepts. Then only we can do the addition within less time. I'll take here few examples. First I take here 3-digit number, adding 3-digit number with 2-digit number. For that, I'm going to take a 3-digit number first, next a 2-digit number. Addition from left to right. Below the 3, no number is here. That means you can drop the 3 as easily. Before dropping 3, we have to check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry numbers. Here 5 and 1 are non-carry numbers. Then you can drop 3 as easily. Next end digit of 5 and 1 is 6. We drop 6. And before dropping 6, we have to check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry numbers. And cutting and writing, that is a waste of time now. Yes. So that before dropping 6, we have to check whether the next numbers are carry or non-carry. Here these are carry numbers. So 6 increases by 1. That means 6 becomes 7. Here the end digit of 6 and 9 is 5. So the answer is 375. I take one more example. Yes. Addition from left to right. Before dropping 4 here, what we have to do? Check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry. Here these are carry numbers. So 4 increases by 1 means 4 becomes 5. And what is the end digit of 9 and 6? 5. Before dropping 5 here, check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry. This time also these are carry numbers. So here the end digit 5 increases by 1, that means 5 becomes 6, and the end digit of 7 and 3 is 0. Yes, the answer is 560. Next, one more example. 5, 0, 7 and 8, 5. Yes. Before dropping 5, check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry. 0 and 8. They are non-carry. Means write the 5 as easily down. Next, 0 and 8. What is the end digit of 0 and 8? 8 itself. So before dropping 8, check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry. This time these are carry numbers. So 8 increases by 1. That means 8 becomes 9. And end digit of 7 and 5 is 2. The answer is 592. Yes, this is the way of doing addition. 3-digit number with 2-digit number. Now I am going to take 3-digit number and another 3-digit number. Adding 3-digit with the other 3-digit number. Same process. Addition of 5 and 1 is 6. Before dropping 6 here, check the next numbers whether they are carry or non-carry. Here these are non-carry numbers. So write the end digit as easily. 5 and 1, the end digit of 5 and 1 is 6. Next, here the end digit of 6 and 3 is 9. Before dropping 9, check the next numbers. They are carry numbers. Means 9 becomes, here this time 9 becomes how much? 10. Means we have to a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. For example, 3, 5, 7, 1, 8, 9. Addition from left to right. Addition of 3 and 1 is, the sum of 3 and 1 is 4. Before dropping 4, check the next numbers. These are carry numbers. Means 4 increases by 1, means 4 becomes 5. Next, end digit of 5 and 8 is 3. Before dropping 3, check the next numbers. These are carry. Means 3 increases by 1, means 3 becomes 4. Next, end digit of 9 and 7 is 6. The answer is 546. Let us take one more. The sum of 4 plus 4 is 8. Before dropping 8, check the next numbers. These are non-carry numbers. So, we write 8 as easily. Next, the end digit of 6 and 1 is 7. Before dropping 7, here check the next numbers. Those are non-carry. Means we write 7 as easily. Next, end digit of 7 and 2 is 9. So, the answer is 879. Here, no carry numbers. So, the answer is easy. Next, let us take one more. Yes, see here. The sum of 5 and 4 is 9. But the next numbers are carry. So, 9 increases by 1. So, 9 becomes 10. Here, the end digit of 4 and 6 is 0. But before dropping 0, check the next numbers. These are carry. So 0 increases by 1. And so 0 becomes 1. And next end digit of 7 and 3 is 0. So the answer is 1010. Here, remember this. For the ones and tens, we have to write the end digits. But for the lastmost digits, we have to write the total sum here. Okay? The sum is here 9 actually. Yes, the next numbers are carry. So 9 became 10. So we have to write 10 total number. Total sum we have to write. But for the ones and tens, we have to write the only end digits. Yes, let us see. 4 digits. The addition of 4 digits with 3 digits. Yes, addition from left to right, below the 1, no number. So, as easily we can drop the number 1 here. But before dropping 1, check the next numbers. They are non-carry. So, we write 1 as easily. Next, end digit of 3 and 1 is 4. Before dropping 4, check the next numbers. They are carry. So, we write here, we write the next number to 4. Means here end digit of 3 and 1 is 4. 4 increases by 1, that means 4 becomes 5. Why? Because next numbers are carry. Here the end digit of 4 and 9 is 3, but the next numbers are carry. So 3 increases by 1, that means 3 becomes 4. Next end digit of 5 and 6 is 1. So the answer is 1541. Yes, let us take one more. Yes, before dropping 5 here, what we have to check? Check the next numbers. They are non-carry, so we write 5 as easily. Next, end digit of 4 and 2 is 6. Before dropping 6, check the next numbers. They are carry. At a time we have to, yes, before dropping, at a time we have to check the next numbers. Yes, I am going to write little bit fastly without saying everything outside. See here, yes, 5 down. Why? Because these are non-carry. Next, end digit of 4 and 2 is 6. 4 and 2 is 6. These are carries. So 6 is 7, becomes 7. Next, end digit of 8 and 3 is 1. But here carry. So 1 increases by 1. Next, end digit of 6 and 7 is 3. So the answer is 5723. This is the answer. Yes. And we can do the addition when we take the numbers in horizontal way. Yes, shall I take one here 3 digit with the 2 digits? Once see here. Here 3 digit with 2 digit. I am going to take this lastmost 2 digits as a single number. Yes, at a time. I am going to take 2 digits at a time. That means 32. Here 1 only. Before adding these two, yes, and add 32 plus 1, 33. But before writing 33 here, check the next numbers. They are carried. So 33 becomes 34. Increases by 1, that means 34. Next, end digit of 7 and 9 is 6. Next, one more I will take. Yes, here I take 12 as a single number, means 1 and 2 at a time, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Yes, first leftmost side we have to write total sum, but for the right side digits we have to write the end digits. Okay, 12 plus 2 is 14, but these are non-carry, so 14 we write as easily 14. Next, end digit of 5 and 4 is 9, so the answer is 149. Yes, same way here I will take yes 5 and 6 is 8 and 10. 56 plus 6 62, but here carry, so it becomes 63, and the end digit of 7 and 8 is 5. Practicing, then you can do these problems within less time. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.